Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is to open up WhatsApp. And now once we're inside of WhatsApp, we want to go ahead and click on updates at the bottom of the page here. Then from here, click on the camera icon, so that green little camera icon, and then choose your image or video you'd like to add the status with that song. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a Teddy Swims here. Then from here at the top, we've got a music icon. So go ahead and click on the music icon. Now search for songs. So go ahead and type in the song that you want to use. So I think this one's pretty fitting. So Pretty Little Baby. So I'm going to choose that. And now from here, I'm just going to pause this video so I don't get copyright strike. Now just choose a part of the track that you like it to play. Then once you've done, you want to go ahead and click done like so. And then click on that green status, click send. And now that's going to update my status. So I'm just going to give that a few moments to send. Now from here, we can go ahead and view it. So I'm going to quickly view it. So that's it.